It's time to end this off with a bang this weekend. You thumbnail, you seen it turn $50 into $100,000. Okay, and this is one of the secrets I never thought I'd ever give out, but this is what gurus will not tell you, man. I'm gonna tell you something because this is what gurus will never show you. So, yeah. Thanks to me, I'm gonna show you that. So welcome, Exotic Wealth here. And yeah, let's go on and get into it. Okay. You see this first one, right? Extract Facebook audience, email, and all that. So we're gonna just watch this. All right. Let's just watch it.
Hey, are you sick and tired of your Facebook ads not converting well enough? Well, you should be. I was too, until I found this. Keep watching and I'm sure that you'll thank me after that.
Okay. If you didn't just see that, if you don't know what that was the software that extract Facebook phone numbers and emails. And what you get to do is like have them keyword targeted. So what you see at this part, I don't know if you caught that, but if you see at this part over here in this side, he had copied and pasted all the keywords into the software, right? And so he had copied all the keywords. And so these are all the results that you see, over 20,000 results. And that was super fast, right? You see how fast that was? So yeah, I'm gonna tell you what's up, man. But here go this other software as well that's called Ghost CPA. Okay, so let's watch this too.
Let me go ahead and show you an example of just how easy it is to iframe with Ghost CPA. Okay, here we are logged into the Ghost CPA control panel. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to actually iframe a CPA offer. All we're going to do is go ahead and click Add Frame. Go ahead and copy and paste our affiliate URL there. Go ahead and click Frame this offer. Okay, as you can see, here is our affiliate offer, and here's our control panel. All we're going to do, go ahead and click the crop button. You can see our crop tool shows up, and we're just going to go ahead, pick out what we want to show our users. So we're just going to go ahead and take out the submit box, the actual box that go ahead and convert, so we can go ahead and build our own landing page around this. Go ahead and click the first page. It's going to tell us that our first page is successfully cropped. We're going to go ahead and just crop one page right now. You can definitely do the second page to resize upon the submit, but for now we're just going to show you the basic crop. I'm going to go ahead and click finish. And now we're presented with our frame options. As you can see, there's a multitude of options. First, we can create a new campaign or a new network. We can also show a pop-up text after the submission, or we can redirect after the submission of the box. For right now, we're just going to go ahead and leave the settings as they are. Going to go ahead and just fill in these options. Just keep it as simple as you can. Just simple for the video here. Can you go ahead and click Save Frame Information? It's going to go ahead and tell us that it was successfully saved. Go ahead and click Get Code. Now all we're going to do is just go ahead and copy the code that GoCPA gives us. I'm going to go ahead and copy that into our new landing page. And then when we go ahead and view that in the browser, go ahead and refresh that. And there you have it, folks.
As you see what I'm talking about? See, that right there is very powerful right there. And some people might be like, oh my God, this don't even work anymore. We can't even do this. Well, I got a secret for you. Yes, you can. If you have CPAGRIP, you should know what I mean. So, okay, for example, you see this right here? You see this offer, right? You see this offer. We're going to do something with this offer, okay? So you see how, you remember, okay, let's go and go to the landing page. Here go the offer, right? You know how he just had taken out this area right here, like the confirm entry in the email submit box, right? You could do the same thing with this. You want me to show you how? All you got to do is just inspect it and delete all of the elements as you see right here, what I'm about to show you. Okay. So yeah, for you non-believers, look at this in plain sight. Okay. So what you would do is actually do this. Like you would actually look for the element, look for specific elements, right? So for example, you see what's in blue, you see what's happening. So yeah, what you would do is not delete all of it. You want to keep it. So there are specific parts. For example, you want to delete this right here. You want to delete that, right? You want to delete, man. You want to delete that too. You want to delete all of this, man. Like you don't need this. You don't need this to be successful, man. You don't have to go with this, man. Delete. Man, it just keeps going, you know? It just keeps going. Should I delete that? I don't think I should. Wait, oh my God. Okay. Nah, it's in the same div tag. So what you would do is go in detail, like right here. See how I'm going through it? Time is running out. Freak that. I don't need that. Boom. I need this. This is the only thing I need. I need this whole form. So for example, if I wanted to do this down here, see, this is the code right there for that. So I scroll down here, and then for this bottom part, and then this is for the bottom part right here. It should be. So here you go. You see all these images, and watch this. It's going to delete that image of that woman. It should be that image. See the button, stuff like that, and it tells you it's going to delete that down there. Table of contents. It's going to delete all of this. You just scroll down. Before you get to the script or style text, you're going to delete all of that. So you just go there, winning circle, boom, 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 pop up, delete that, and delete this too. I mean, you're going to delete a lot of stuff, but you got to be careful because you sometimes can delete that as well. So then once you delete all of that, what you want to do is edit HTML, copy, Control A, copy all of that, and go back to CPAGRIP, go to URL file locker, right? And then you go to advanced, and boom. Let's see how it works. Let's see what happens. And let's see, did it actually work? I mean, boom, there you go. You see that? Do you see that? Oh my God. Exactly. Boom. Like I said, you can do that still. So for you non-believers, all you do is just still get the code, and when they enter their email right there and press confirm entry, you get paid. And how much was that? Was that $1.38? Okay, so how can it make me $100,000? See, that's not what I was even going to tell you. Okay, see, but this is what's going to make you $100,000. You see this website right here, blackhatprotools.info. Okay, check this website out. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to show you this, and then I'll get to the part to where you can make $100,000 or more with and starting your own business. Okay. So I'm a CPA, right? These are all CPA methods, different CPA methods, different niches. It tells you in detail how to exactly do it. These are so many like methods and strategies, more than I've ever taught. So yeah, definitely. go here and check these out. And this is just $50 forever. As you see, only $50. There's no monthly fees. And the person you'll be talking to is a guy named The Dictator. I don't know if you've seen him, but he was he's like over the whole thing, over the whole website, which is blackhatprotools.info. So like I was saying, they also have CPA marketing courses on here as well for just $50, and that's it forever. So yeah, I'm gonna get to the part to where what y'all want to see the most. Okay, how can we make $100,000? After I show y'all this, I'm done. I mean, because this is it, man. Here you go. So as you scroll down the website, you right here on the homepage, right? How can I make $100,000? Let's see. What you want to do? So what you would do, you don't have to scroll all the way down here. You don't have to do none of this. Really, you just stop right here, press that, and then what you do is going to take you to another page, right? It's going to take you to this page, and then you see this page right here. You see this where it says click here to get the full list of softwares. This is what's going to make you over $100,000 right here. You know, you can use this stuff for Fiverr. Watch this. Look at all this, man. SEO tools. It goes from SEO tools. I'm going to just keep on naming it, man. Look at all this. All-in-one marketing, social network suites, account creator bots, boom, capture solver tools, expired domains, email marketing and list building tools. I mean, it has it all. And there's multiple softwares. Facebook marketing tools. Everybody want that. There you go. And there's a tool in here that's actually with Facebook marketing tool that actually does the advertising for you as well. Seriously. Google Plus marketing tools, Google Maps, web extractor, Instagram marketing tools. It goes all the keyword research. You have software that can do keyword research for you. Leaks, full website ripped. I mean, look at all this. Pinterest marketing. Just read it, man. Look at all of this, man. Look at all of this. You use this to your advantage, man. You can come up more than $100,000. Okay, 6 figures, man. That's what we talking. That's what it's all about, right? So yeah, you see, still going. This is Amazon and Shopify, drop shipping, and article creators, affiliate marketing. It got all of that stuff. And you want to tell you something else? It has courses as well. So if you need or want some courses, it has courses on this website as well. The list goes on and on. As you see, video marketing tools. What's next? Web scraping extraction tools. You see my point. And if you were to do any kind of email marketing, look, XXX, there you go. Adult marketing tools too. So if you wanted to do any email marketing and you needed an image, I just added this just to let y'all know. Come to this website called anyimage.io, because what it do is you will be able to drop an image right here out of your files, and then what you can do is create a URL for that image, and then it'll extract it to where you can have and copy that image HTML code, and then go from there to submit your email. So yeah, there you go. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give y'all that good tip right there, because I think y'all will really find some value out of it. And yeah, I really hope you liked the video, man. Thanks for the support from everybody. It's been a mean time and fun time. So yeah, have a good weekend and stay blessed, man. Peace.